Your brain is under attack, and you don't even realize it. Every scroll, ping, and pop-up, it's hijacking your attention. You weren't born unfocused. The world rewired you this way. Meet Jay. 21, college student. Smart, curious, used to love reading. Now, he can't sit through a single lecture. His brain hops like a playlist, never finishing one track. He opens his laptop to study, but 3 minutes later, he's deep in a YouTube rabbit hole about cats eating spaghetti. Jay thinks he's lazy. Broken. But he's not. He's just looping. Here's what's really going on. Every notification gives your brain a dopamine hit, like a mini high. Your brain starts craving that high. Not depth, not meaning, just quick, shiny dopamine. Social media, short videos, swipe apps, they're designed to keep you addicted. You're not distracted by accident. You've been engineered to be. So how do you escape the trap? You retrain your mind. One habit at a time. Step 1, the dopamine detox. Take 1 day a week, no short-form content, no social scrolling. Step 2, rebuild boredom tolerance. Boredom isn't bad. It's the seed of deep focus. Start by just sitting in silence for 5 minutes a day. Watch how your mind fights it. Step 3, the 90-minute rule. Work in 90-minute blocks, no interruptions, then rest. Deep work isn't a hack, it's a muscle. And you can build it. You're not broken. You're just surrounded by noise. And every time you choose focus, silence, boredom, you reclaim a piece of yourself. Your attention is your superpower. Protect it like it matters. Because it does. If this video made you think, imagine what your life could look like with your focus fully back. So hit subscribe, and let's train your mind to fight back, one video at a time.